Ever feel like your body is slowing you down, whether it's stiffness in the morning, nagging joint pain, or energy that just isn't what it used to be? I get it. And that's exactly why this month's edition of Vitality for Life newsletter is here. It's packed with tools, tips, and inspiration to help you stay flexible, energized, and feeling like yourself again. So here's a quick peek at what's inside this issue. A deep dive into mobility resets that can ease stiffness and keep you moving, recipes designed to fight inflammation, and fuel sources for recovery. The science behind collagen, what it does, how long it takes, and how to track results, as well as an inspiring wellness story from someone who's been exactly where you are. So whether you're trying to stay active with the grandkids, get back into your favorite hobbies, or just want to wake up feeling better, I've got you covered. Want to deliver straight to your inbox next time? Drop newsletter below and I'll make sure you're subscribed. And if you love learning through live shows, here's one you might have missed, but definitely want to catch. In our last Vitality for Life show, we talked all about the mobility reset they don't teach you at the doctor's office. Natural, everyday ways to reduce stiffness, ease joint pain, and move with more freedom. And if you missed it, well, don't worry, I've got the replay ready for you. Here's what we covered. Why mobility is the foundation of strength and recovery, simple day stretches to reduce tension and prevent injury, and tips from experts to help you move easier, no matter what your age or fitness level. It was a powerful session, packed full of takeaways, plus Sharon's inspiring story of how she almost had to give up gardening until she made a few simple changes that gave her mobility back. If you couldn't make it live, now's your chance to catch everything you missed. Just drop the word replay and I'll send the link straight to your inbox so you can watch it today. Now, did you know that what you eat could either fuel inflammation or fight it? In the Vitality for Life show, we also featured some simple, delicious recipes that are designed to do more than just taste good. They actually support your joint health. Now, these meals are packed with anti-inflammatory ingredients, healthy fats, and clean protein to help reduce stiffness, ease inflammation, and speed recovery. And the best part, they're family-friendly, easy to prepare, and perfect for everyday living. Want the full recipe collection? Let me know, and I'll get the link straight at you. Now, let's talk about 3 powerful reads to help you move better, feel stronger, and protect your joints. First up, don't let joint pain ruin your summer. It gives practical tips to help you stay active and enjoy the season without stiffness slowing you down. Next one is, could this one nutrient be what your joints are missing? Covers the surprising mineral your body needs for joint health. And finally, what are the benefits of collagen products? It's where we break down the science behind why collagen is more than a beauty buzzword and how it supports recovery. These reads are quick, practical, and designed to help you move and feel your best. They're actually in my wellness center, so if you want a part of that, let me know. I'm going to put the link up above for it, Danny Cade Wellness. Get yourself in there and you can grab your pick of which ones, or all 3 if you like. Okay, now in our wellness spotlight, we had Dr. Bruce Daggy take us behind the research, breaking down how collagen supports joints, speeds recovery, and even improves skin health. You'll also learn how long it actually takes to see results, the best way to track your progress, and what to realistically expect when adding collagen to your routine. If you're curious, catch the full replay of Collagen Decoded for the complete breakdown. Again, just put the word collagen in the comments and I'll send that right to your inbox. And before we wrap up, let's take a peek at our next live event. We have one every month. Did you know the man who put vitamin C on the map is the only person in history to win 2 unshared Nobel Prizes? In our next Vitality for Life show, we're joined by Dr. John Westerdahl, who works side by side with Dr. Linus Pauling during his most active years of vitamin C research. You'll get rare behind-the-scenes stories, powerful science on immune health, and practical tips you can use right now to boost your wellness. We're going to be covering the science of vitamin C that changed nutrition forever, stories from inside the lab, what vitamin C deficiency really looks like, how to prevent it, and how to use vitamin C for a back-to-school immune boost. This is one episode that you don't want to miss. So don't miss from the lab of a legend, the vitamin C story. It's going to be happening on Wednesday, September 17th at 8 p.m. on the East Coast, 5 p.m. on the West. And I'll drop the link for that at the end of today so you can grab your spot. So whether it's resetting your mobility, fighting inflammation with food, learning the science behind collagen, or getting inspired by real wellness journeys, this month's show is all about helping you live with vitality. So don't just watch, take action. Register for our next live event, try a recipe, or share your own story with us. You're not just learning wellness, you're living it. So thanks for joining me on the Wellness Discovery Show today. And until next time, stay well, stay inspired, and stay happy. Thanks, everyone. Bye for now.